BTS, mate, it's always the best. I told you it's the best. You actually see what goes in to make these clips. I don't know who's getting set up here, whether it's me or Max, but right now it feels like me. Crushed it. Max skid stepping. Hey, we're out here at Millbrook, this amazing freaking facility. So tomorrow, Max Verstappen rolls into town. He reached out and wanted to learn how to drift. We've brought Mad Bull, fully rebuilt Mad Bull from ground up. So it's still the beat up, battle scarred, wounds everywhere underneath with a bit of satin black. I mean, every single part that's gone onto it is brand new. It's not the most crazy horsepower, it doesn't have the most crazy grip. In my vision, this is the best car for showcasing drifting, period. I'm actually really intrigued myself to see just how fast he picks it up. We're dealing with the Formula 1 world champ, so he should be pretty freaking good, you'd think.
Yeah, so it was an interesting end to the day. There was a couple of little gremlins popping up in the car. We had to get a new ECU out here from Haltech, get it plugged in.
Literally last night rewired the entire Haltech R3 and put the new Nexus R5 in, which we already have a lot of knowledge with that ECU. So that's literally the brain that runs the entire car. This car got fully rewired last night to swap that out. So pretty stressful for the guys, but fire it up right now. We're about 8 o'clock in the morning, so we're about an hour away before it all kind of kicks off. So if it was easy, everyone would be doing it. Love the pressure, love the challenge.
Oh yeah, Max, he's gonna love it. There's no one better than Mad Mike to give him that first taste, and I'm really looking forward to see what Max can do.
I was asked earlier what's important to me at the end of the shoot, and it's those two things really. It's having got the things that we set out to achieve from a shooting point of view, and that everybody is happy and had a pretty decent time. Well, we're going to get ready for his arrival. He should be here in 20 minutes, so
yeah. Okay. Cables, wires everywhere. Another day in the office, another day in paradise. So he's going to come and do his intro. What's up? I'm Max Verstappen. He's going to stand there and I'm going to just go and rip some donuts around him whilst he's trying to do the intro.
I mean, I trust him, you know, so it was just the sound, it was crazy. It was really cool to hear the engine rev up.
Let's get helmets on and go for a skid.
Let's
go. We got the meet Max Verstappen, you see that?
Oh my god.
Don't worry.
It was just, I was like, now.
Oh, you say that? I just started yet. I don't know what you've done to him, but he's not the same as he was half an hour ago.
I just gave him a freestyle session, literally a set of tyres, just go and do what you need to do. I knew within like 20 seconds he was going to pick it up. So yeah, we just got straight into it, man. He ripped. I just wanted to know how my pit crew, are they as fast as yours?
They did good, yeah.
They did good. Hear that, boys?
They did very good.
Good pit stop. Yeah.
Oh.
Crushed it. Max skid stepping. Hey.
It's a new name. Let's not use it too much on the track. Let's just keep it on here.
So Max's first run, man, he ripped straight out the back.
I mean, I didn't know what to expect, but I was really surprised by the grip the car had. Really cool to experience that straight away, and I also see the inputs of Mike, you know, what he was doing, and that helped me a lot to get started myself.
It's looking good. Max has, I wouldn't say surprised everyone, he's impressed everyone. He's come to it as an absolute natural, and by the looks of the guys' faces, they're having a real good time in that car.
Bit of race tape, bit of zip ties. Every drifter needs a zip tie and a race tape sponsor, mate. That's the first thing you need to be doing a proposal for. Max, I'll go give him some tips, mate. He's got the right energy drink. We've wiped out a few cones, so he's got that close. We just wiped a few out, but now what we've set up is the Horner corner. So we've replaced the cones with Christian Horners, so the big boss man. We've got some oversized hands, so it makes it a little bit easier for him to get the proximity. But the idea here, there's 10 of them.
Want it there now?
He's got to try and knock them all off. Look at that, you got his hand, bro. You got his hand.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Thank you very much, Christian.
Freaking solid.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, man.
Dude, this thing sounds f***ing incredible from the outside.
It's really good.
Never heard it from the outside in my life, except for this fella revving it in the shop all day, every day.
It's so
Oh, the
smooth.
pitch and the echo, like you just whoop.
When I was standing there, you were drifting around me. I could hear that. Yeah, I'm feeling great. I mean, I didn't know what to expect, but this has been a great day for me. I probably want to do more now.
Oh man, what a freaking crazy day. Honestly, I think the best part about today was actually witnessing the sound of this car for the very first time from the outside. Hearing the response, the echo, and then seeing just the response on people's faces just as it's revving. So that was a really cool moment for me, because this is hands down, if I had to get rid of my entire fleet and I was only allowed to keep one car, this would be it. The Mad Bull. Because if I was a car, that's me right there. The Mad Bull.